Scott, and thank you all for having me here today. It's nice to have such a casual atmosphere to be able to talk in, and I appreciate it. I really do. It's great to see you. I want to tell you what I want to bring to the city attorney's office, and that's more transparency, more sunshine, and more independence. And I absolutely am 100% behind defeating Proposition C. I think it's a great start in the right direction, but I think it is only a start. Because I think whenever you have the control to appoint somebody, you have the control of that office. And so that's one of the things that I would immediately start about doing, is spearheading an effort to get us a truly independent and popularly elected city auditor. Donna, when I was looking at my research, I saw there's actually four major cities in the country that have gone this way so far. And I think that is the future. You know, we've got to keep moving forward. We can't go back. And I absolutely give credit to Mike Aguirre for what he has started in that office. I believed in that work. And that's why I quit my nice job in public or in private practice a few years back to go do that work. And I still want to continue to do that work. And I have a history of standing up for what I believe is right and what the city needs to accomplish. And that I want to continue that work in a non-polarizing way. I'm not going to go into many attacks, but that's what I'm here to do, is to present a positive option somewhere between what I see as being the extremes in the race between our incumbent, however you feel about him, and the other side, which I don't see as having any incentive to act independently. So I want to continue in the vein of independence. And along that line, in addition to an independently elected city auditor, I also want to work toward getting us some safeguards, whistleblower protection for city employees and public attorneys, so that we can put to rest this issue of who is your client and where does your duty lie. I think we absolutely need to protect people when they see something being done wrong and laws being violated, that they have the ability to come forward and bring that to light. That's more transparency. That's what we need to see in the city attorney's office and in government in general. So that's something that I will absolutely promote. Just as a final note, when Rob was talking, he mentioned, you know, the power of language and how we have been able to convince people to vote for something that they think they're voting for when it's really something else. And what came to my mind was Prop 209, and how the other side was able to convince us that we no longer needed any kind of affirmative action, and if we just outlaw the wrongdoing, that it'll go away. And I think we all in this crowd certainly know that that's not the case. Sexism, racism are very much well and alive in our society, in our community, and we need to keep pushing forward to do away with and eliminate that. So on that end, I'm just going to say thank you. Please come by and talk to me. I'm very approachable, and I really appreciate you having me here today. I want to continue to bring San Diego forward, more transparency, more sunshine, and I offer you a candidate and a city attorney who can work with both sides and continue to press on in the vein of independence and transparency in government. Thank you.